So today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of a new fan from Noctua. This is the NH-P14 FLX. Now, what the FLX suffix denotes is that it is a flexible design. So that means that the FLX fan has three different speed settings, which are 1200, 900, and 750 RPM, and it achieves this through a few different adapters that are included with it. Other key features of this 140mm fan are the impeller with Vortex control notches, and we'll show you those in a minute. The metal reinforcements, which allow the ultimate manufacturing precision, high durability, and vibration-free running, as well as a round frame. Now, the round frame of this fan is what makes it so special, and we'll get to more about that in a minute. This has their updated drive bearing. It has the SSO bearing with the smooth communication drive 2, ensures superb running and smoothing by eliminating torque variations and switching noises, etc., etc. Basically, it's a fan, but what makes it special is what we are about to get to here in just a moment. So let's have a look at the accessories that are included with the NH-P14 FLX. And first we have 4 rubber fan mounting grommets. So rather than using screws, which can transfer vibration directly to the case, Noctua fans use these little rubber mounting grommets. These are quite common, but they're only really included with higher end fans, or you have to buy them separately. Next, we have 2 low noise adapters. So one is the low noise adapter and one is the ultra low noise adapter. So all you do is plug these in line with the fan and they will make it run at a slower RPM. Next, we have 4 metal mounting screws. You can't always use those rubber grommets, and sometimes good old-fashioned mounting screws are what works best. And then we have adapters. So these are 120mm to 140mm adapter. But wait, Linus, you said this was a 140mm fan. Well, it is. Because of the round frame, they're actually able to make this 140mm fan compatible with 120mm mounts. You can see if you had a square frame going around these holes, you'd have substantially less room for the fan. So Noctua's engineers ingeniously decided to make it work this way. So all you have to do is attach the little metal bracket, and you can see that that makes it a little bit wider, a little bit further out, so you can just attach it to a 140mm hole or to a 120mm hole. Very cool. Now the Vortex control notches are what we'll talk about next here. Let's just have a quick look at the fan here. So you can see that they're offset. We've got 2 notches here at the edge of the blade. We have 2 notches here at the middle of the blade and 2 notches here closer to the center of the fan. Now, what that means is that the way these disrupt the airflow is supposed to be more even overall because they're offset this way versus having all of the blades shaped exactly the same way. Noctua has been doing this on all of their fans for quite a while now, and obviously they're very, very well regarded fans because people pay very good money for Noctua fans. Now, another thing they've got called out here is the metal reinforced SSO bearing shell and magnet. So that's kind of cool, I suppose. Okay, it comes with a sleeved 3-pin connector, and the last accessory is probably something I should have mentioned before, and it is a 3-pin to Molex connector. So you can power this thing any way you want, you can power it at any speed you want, and you can mount it any way you want. Thank you for checking out my unboxing and product overview of the Noctua NH-P14 FLX. Okay, that wasn't really the end. I've reboxed the fan already, but what I noticed when I was reboxing it is this little tab right here in huge boldface type, so that I couldn't possibly miss it, says open. And we can actually open up this this merchandising thing on the back of the fan so we can find out exactly how the Vortex control notches work, because my explanation was just terrible. Okay, so standard trailing edges can produce rotating pressure fields and vertices that cause audible noise at distinct frequencies. This undesired tonal noise is much more annoying than noise that's spread over a broad frequency range. So that is what the Vortex control notches do. They make it split into several smaller vortices, and the noise is spread over a wider range of frequencies and is therefore much less perceptible. So there you go. Thank you for checking out my unboxing and my little add-on about the NH-P14 FLX.